Hello friends, it's part 2 and the completion and final part of this piece of art. I'll be showing you how I came up with the shading around the hand. So first things first, I did the first shading layer, that is the lighter shading of the surrounding of this hand. After doing that, I made it uniform with the use of tissue paper. You can also do it with a brush if you have. So after making the shading uniform, you lay the second dark layer on the first layer. And you also make it uniform using a tissue paper. I used a tissue paper in this. Then I did the final fine details of the surrounding shade. I went to making the sketch of the rocky edges and also doing the shading on. Making them to look like this, and there we go. The final artwork looks exactly like this. Yeah, thanks for watching, and if you're new here, kindly please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the like button and leave a comment on the comment section. Thank you.